Hello friends, welcome to Full House Flavors. Today we are sharing a recipe of a must-have chutney for any of our Indian snacks called Coriander or Dhania Chutney. This is super simple, effortless and quick recipe that you can use it for any type of our appetizers, samosas, sandwiches, parathas, etc. There are only a few ingredients we are going to use for this recipe. We have used a fresh bunch of coriander leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, and 3 or 4 green chili, Amchur powder of 1/4 spoon, salt to taste, and 1 to 2 spoon of mustard oil, and a lemon. So to start off, we have washed and cleaned the coriander leaves, and we have removed the stem part only using the leaves part. And we'll give some cuts to this bunch to make it small pieces for 2 reasons. First, it grinds well in the blender jar, and second, it makes a good paste. And now we'll add the rest of the ingredients, and we'll make fine pieces to garlic as well so it grinds well. And to green chili as well, we'll make it small pieces. And we have used here 3 to 4 green chilies, but that gives a perfect spicy flavor to this chutney. But if you like less, then you can even use 1 or 2. And now it's time to add some fresh lemon juice and also the Amchur powder or the mango powder. And together these two adds a really nice zingy souring flavor to this chutney. And now it's time to add water, and we have to be careful here, add only a little bit water at a time, and you add as you need it, but to start off you only need as much as needs to be grinded. Because if you add more water to start with, the chutney will come out very watery, and we don't want that. We want like just a nice consistency paste for this chutney. And you can keep checking the chutney. If you think it needs more water, you can stop it and you can add a little bit water at a time. So now it looks like our chutney is ready. So let's take it out from the blender and just check it out if the paste is nicely done. And look at this beautiful green color of this chutney here. Doesn't it look so mouth-watering? And here's a little tip, friends. If you want to keep this chutney this bright green color, do not add other spices to it. Like you can use cumin powder as well while making this chutney. But the more spices you add, it just tones down the color, the green color which you want to keep. And for final touch, we're adding 1 spoon of mustard oil to it and mix it well. And what it does, it just brings out the little shiny color to the chutney, and as well the nice taste. And you can save this chutney in the fridge as well and use it for a week. So here you go, friends, your chutney is ready. Give it a go, and I hope you like your recipe. And if you like our other recipes on our channel, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for your feedback and support, and thank you for watching.